Chard. Okay, first out of the bag. Let's see what we're sowing in August, shall we? Let's do Rocket first. Fill a seed tray up. Like so, and we'll do say 10 bays of Rocket and get into things. It's always handy to have a little tray next to you. And pop them in as you go, nice and simple. Rocket a label like so. Here's one I made earlier, very Blue Peter of me, and that just press the compost down. Lovely. Next up, Marvel of Four Seasons. Lovely little lettuce, this one. It does have red tips to the leaves. Tastes very nice, and you can grow it all year round, which is an absolute bargain. So here we go, my little tray. Don't want many of these, just go mad. So a couple in each seed cell. And we're good to go. All right. Okay, so there's your lettuce. Pop that in there, and again, just press it down. Nothing not too hard as it was. Right, what we're going to have next then? What do you reckon? Shall we go for a bit of spinach? Yes, let's do a bit of spinach. Right, this is good in the winter. Yeah, start it now. And it'll see you through. So 1, 2, 1 for each cell. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 must be in, eh? Right. And again, press it down. Dead simple. All year round lettuce. It's a green one, this one. Very, very tasty. Grows really well. And we have enough. Right, and one line of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Couple more for luck, shall we? Again, press it down. You know the story by now. Labelling, as you do. Last up, spring onion. This is Lisbon. I can get in, eh? Right. Lovely little black seeds these are. So I'll put 2 or 3 per cell because we want it to grow in a clump. Say 2 or 3, that was 5 in that one, so who's counting, eh? Again, a little bit of finger magic here. Get the lumpy bits out of compost, eh? Right, we're good to go. So what I'll do, I'll give these a water, then they're in polytunnel. Last but not least, we're going to do the chard. Smaller trays this time. Fill her up. Give her a tap. Here we go. It's called Bright Lights. Really pretty plant actually. Go nice in a border even if you're not going to eat it, to be fair. Nice chunky seeds, not going to lose them. So 1 in each. Pop them down. And we just give them a little water. It's one I made earlier. Label. That's it. We're good to go. So, rocket, lettuce, spinach, lettuce again, chard, and spring onion. That's what we're sowing in August.